Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll show you how to change profile picture on Royal Match. So let's get started. First, launch open your Royal Match application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the pencil icon. Then select the avatar. There are other options too. If you want to go ahead and change to your own profile picture, then all you need to do is tap on this Facebook Connect button. Then tap on the Continue button. And this is how you can change profile picture on Royal Match. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.